Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. I have another faucet for you today called Free Cryptos. A fun, easy-to-use faucet where you can start earning in minutes. First, log in with your Faucet Pay or C wallet email. After you log in, you will see your dashboard at the top. Here you will see your faucet claim, coupons and balance. Select Faucet Claim, now select LITECOIN, and choose Claim in the center of your screen, solve the CAPTCHA, and get your reward. After every 10 claims, your balance will automatically be sent to your Faucet Pay email. Since the CAPTCHAs are so easy to solve, you can go back and forth claiming between tokens to earn faster. Now select Ton and claim your coins. Next, select Doge and claim some Doge too. Continue claiming until you reach the payout limit. You can also earn PEPE quickly by using this technique. PEPE is still cheap, so it's easy to rack up. When you're all done, go back to your Faucet Pay email to make sure your coins have been paid out. As you can see, your coins have instantly arrived. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.